Hi guys, it's your girl Lavender Storm, returning again for another installment of our Christmas Advent Calendar. Today is December 22nd, 2022. Are you ready? I'm super excited. This has been a great calendar. I hope you guys were able to get one. Hopefully they do it next year. But it has been really fun joining you guys every day, seeing your smiling faces and comments, and I am super grateful and excited. I'm always excited. But oh my goodness, it has been wonderful sharing this experience with you. So I hope you continue to watch and like and subscribe. So it is almost Christmas. I keep saying that, but it is the 22nd day of December. Oh, it went so fast. Alright, so here we go. Hi guys, as you know, I love to recap. So, day 1, Thunder Bars, and all my little box with all work. 2, Pac-Man. 3, 4, 5, sushi, 6, 7, chocolate 4, 8. Of course, it's our relief mask. 9 is our curry. 10 is our pot flagon. 11 is our marshmallows. 12 is our cheesecake flavored Kit Kats. That's a candy actually. It's really nice because they give you more than like one piece, so you can share with family. So it's worth it to share with family. I swear, he's a mess. If you have not seen it approaching, please find it. It's just hilarious. Okay. And 19 is our chocolate 90. Again, awesome haul because you get multiple chocolates that you can share with family and friends, which is great value with us. So, very nice. 20 is our paper pen. 21. So I did show you guys this, just to make a note, because I want to show you the one, but there's 3 packets of this tea, the green tea. So that's what I think too. Like there's lots of more of this in my one tea bag, which is again really nice and you can share. Alright, drum roll for 22. Ooh, look at that. That's nice. Look at that artistry of this box. Every tag is so wonderful and so cute. So very cute. Alright, let's see. Oh. Okay, so officially, this is like all this chocolate. Or is this chocolate? It is. Oh, these are good, guys. Orange Kit Kats are delicious. Try them frozen. Oh my goodness, these are delicious. had these in other boxes. They're so good. Oh, wonderful. And again, there's multiple, so you can share. All right, 22. Have a wonderful day. Be safe. Thank you for joining. Bye.